Good day and welcome back. Another beautiful day, about 78 degrees or so, a little breezy but not bad, and boy, just a beautiful day. So we went camping this last weekend, and I had a couple brothers that went with us, and each of them had what they call, I guess, a little portable propane fire pit or fireplace in lieu of doing an actual open campfire. And of course they asked me where was mine, and I didn't have one. So under brother pressure, I went out and bought one, and I figured we'd open it up, put it together, and see what we thought of it. Let's go open it. So here it is, made by a company called Endless Summer. That's French, so I can't read that very well. About 18.5-inch portable outdoor fire pit, powered by LP. 58,000 BTUs, got a locking lid, has an igniter, a 10-foot hose, and a regulator. And we'll see what it looks like. First time I've opened it. You can pretty much buy these anywhere. I got this one at one of our local hardware stores here. It's called Buy Mart, but you can get them at Lowe's or Home Depot, Amazon, Walmart. Give you a little better view here. Just a box of your lava rock. Instructions. Looks like a propane stand, I'm guessing. Hardware, handle, the lid latches, battery, and some screws. Guess I'll have to go get my screw gun. Lid, it's a flat black color. It almost looks like it was painted copper to start with, and they distressed it or wiped the black off. So it's got a little bit of a copper tone to it. I like that. So that is for the igniter, I would guess, or maybe the battery. Yeah, I would say the battery. Battery will go in there. And then igniting it, I'm not sure how we ignite it yet. I'm sure somehow through this dial here. So let's put it together, I guess. I'll get some tools. So don't quote me on this, but I think these little units, they're legal to use when you can't do an actual open campfire, just because you're not blowing embers up into the sky. So I think these are safe in areas where they don't allow campfires. So I'll find out this hunting season. I'll pick it up and probably find a ranger and make sure it's okay and use this instead of doing the open campfires, because a lot of times when we go hunting, the forests are, they've got a total fire ban. You're not able to burn anything, so this would be nice. And the base with a bunch of little tags and labels. Don't do this, don't do that. Lighting instructions: connect it to an LP tank, turn on the tank, push and turn the control knob to high, hold the control knob for 20 seconds to heat the thermocouple. After 20 seconds release, turn the control knob counterclockwise to adjust the flame. We'll see. I actually opened up the instructions. I don't normally, but number 1, do not return to place of purchase. Okay. You can screw on the latches on the lid. Use the B screws to screw the actual fire pit to the base. Then throw the rocks in, throw the battery in, and light it up. It doesn't look cheap to start with. I like the long hose, that'll be nice. With a standard regulator that you can screw onto your 20-gallon or 20-pound propane tank, 5-gallon propane tank. Pretty straightforward, not too much assembly required, so that's nice. I think I'm probably going to cut these off. I'm guessing. V. 50-50 chance doing it right. Oh, I hear it. So you can just turn it to high, push the knob in, and it sparks that little lighter. Cool. These are just some machine screws with a tiny little nut on it. And these will attach the latch to the lid. Then these last 2 screws should attach the handle to the lid. And this guy, I'm not sure. I don't know if it's going to pin the propane tank to the base, but I don't see a nut in that hole. Not sure. Have to look at that. So these little tiny nuts, I'm going to use a number 7 metric open end, and it looks like it fits. So we'll install the latches, put the handle on, and see if we can get it lit, see what it looks like. So the latches and handles are on. Those nuts are really small, so they're a little hard to grab, but not terribly difficult. And this ring here actually has a little threaded nut zert. So you're going to slip that bolt through there, put it into the nut zert, and then that's what tightens the base to the bottom of the propane tank. Nice looking collection of rocks. I think that's about it. Probably don't want the propane tank too close to an open flame. Make sure this is off. Turn this on. That was easy. Wow, lit the first time. It's actually got a pretty decent flame to it. The igniter worked real well. I'll try it again just to make sure. Give it a minute for the flames to go out. So it does not turn unless you press it in, but when you press it in, I can hear the igniter going. So then once you get it lit, you want to turn it just a little bit past that 90. And then you can adjust the flame down. I might buy another bag of rocks, different color rocks maybe, make it look a little better. No, I think that's a nice little unit. Just more stuff to bring up camping. But yeah, nice. Thanks for hanging out. Have a good day.